Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Jansen Fancher with MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks, and I've got the privilege of showing you this 2025 Cruisers Yachts 38 GLS Outboard. It's got the Trip 400 horsepower V10s, gray sea deck, shore power cables. Love this interior color. And of course you got the folding gunnel, a little gate there. Nice wraparound seating. Got your refrigerator, grill, sink, storage and trash can. Dual SIMRAD screens. Let's not forget your Mercury joystick. Great size cabin. This will fold out into a bed. Got a nice head. Full-size bed back here. There's a TV there on the corner. Microwave, refrigerator, another TV. Got the twin bar stools. And then moving forward in the bow, got great wraparound seating. Got pop-down armrests and cup holders here and on this side. If you guys have any questions on this boat, feel free to give us a call. 573-365-5382. Make sure to ask for Jansen. Thank you and have a great day.